Could a simple desk attachment truly transform your workday comfort and space? This computer rest armrest promises to do just that. But the real question is, does it deliver on its ergonomic claims and practical benefits? Imagine a world where your small desk suddenly feels expansive, and those nagging wrist and shoulder pains from hours at the computer simply fade away. This isn't just a dream. It's what this innovative desk extender aims to achieve. Crafted from high-quality metal, it feels surprisingly robust right out of the box, giving you confidence in its durability. It comes in 3 versatile sizes: 52x25 cm, 65x25 cm, and 75x25 cm, ensuring there's likely a perfect fit for your setup, whether you're working with a compact laptop or a full-sized keyboard and mouse. One of the standout features is its ability to reclaim precious desk real estate. When not in use, it cleverly folds away, tucking itself neatly under your desk. This is a game changer for anyone struggling with limited space, instantly making your small desk feel significantly larger and more organized. It's not just about space, though, it's about your well-being. The ergonomic design is genuinely thoughtful, positioning your keyboard and mouse at a more natural height and angle. This subtle shift is designed to keep you in correct body postures, actively working to prevent the common culprits of shoulder, back, and wrist pain that so many of us experience from prolonged computer use. It's a small change that could make a huge difference in your daily comfort and long-term health. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. All the necessary hardware and clear instructions are included, and the adjustable clamps mean you can attach it to most right-angle tables up to 9 cm thick without needing to drill any holes. This makes it incredibly versatile for both home offices and professional environments. Whether you're deep into a coding session, battling it out in a game, or simply browsing, this armrest shelf stand provides a stable and comfortable platform. It truly feels like an extension of your desk, designed to support you through hours of work or play. In essence, this isn't just another accessory, it's a practical solution for common desk woes. It combines sturdy construction with smart design, offering both space-saving functionality and genuine ergonomic benefits. For anyone looking to enhance their workspace comfort and efficiency, this desk extender is a remarkably effective and worthwhile upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.